Bitcoin drops below $43,000, Ether stays above $2,200. Cathie Wood West sells $49.2 million worth of Coinbase shares. South Korea excludes NFTs CBDCs from crypto interest mandate. The sanctions move affects 161 wallets, 11 holding USDT tokens. Pudgy Penguins reveal Pudgy World NFT game rollout plans. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. There's a fresh wave of caution in the virtual digital asset space, with leading cryptocurrencies, namely Bitcoin, Ethereum, price trading water ahead of key decisions on the interest rates from the global central banks. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
The IC15 index, the barometer of top 15 tokens, was trading at 53,425 points, down by 3%. As crypto markets turn bullish, non-fungible token trading has started to join the wave, with volume nearing $1 billion in November, according to data published by the decentralized app tracking platform Dappradar. Furthermore, a Binance research report indicated a 110% year-to-date increase in the total cryptocurrency market capitalization, adding over $870 billion. This growth follows a stagnation period after 2021 crypto highs, suggesting a potential market shift. The report also shows the first positive shift in the supply of top 5 stablecoins since Q1 2022, indicating increased interest and capital in cryptocurrencies. Meanwhile, the Bitcoin and Ether options trading value, also known as notional open interest on Deribit, as of Friday, was the highest ever at $23.6 billion. Increased options open interest represents an influx of institutional traders in the crypto market and promises better price discovery. In another news, Chainlink staking Volume 2 has gone live, with over 11 million Link plus 3.09% staked in the first 30 minutes. This follows a 9-day priority migration period where existing Volume 1 stakers transitioned their staked Link and rewards to the new version. On the regulatory side, Tether, a stablecoin issuer, has frozen 41 wallets controlled by individuals on the US Office of Foreign Assets Control's specially designated nationals list as precautionary measures to maintain high security standards and expand its global law enforcement and regulator relationships. Solana has surpassed Ethereum in sales volume, reaching nearly $16 million after a 2.78% increase. This comes despite a broader market downturn, with Ethereum experiencing a 22.7% drop in sales. However, today, Solana SOL was down 3% at $69. Cardano's ADA token dipped 5% to $0.55. Ripple's XRP token was down by 4.1% to trade at $0.62. Shiba Inu traded 2.74% down. Polkadot dipped 6.4% to trade at $4.8. Binance BNB was trading at $236, down 1%.
Thanks, Ruchi. And now back to the headlines. Cathie Wood West sold another 335,860 shares in cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase on Friday, its largest sale since July. ARK offloaded coin shares across 3 exchange-traded funds. The bulk came from the innovation ETF. The sale would have raised $49.2 million at Coinbase's closing price. The St. Petersburg, Florida-based investment manager has been making consistent sales of Coinbase stock in recent weeks as the exchange's shares have appreciated alongside Bitcoin's rally. Friday is the largest since July, when it sold 480,000 shares worth $50.5 million at the time. ARK also sold 102,672 shares in Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, worth around $3.6 million. South Korean regulator, the Financial Services Commission, published a notice highlighting that by July 2024, investors in digital assets must receive interest when depositing their funds into an exchange. However, the guidance clarified that NFTs and central bank digital currencies are excluded from the law. Despite the exclusion of NFTs, the regulator also noted that there can be exceptions. According to the report, even if the tokens are categorized as NFTs but function as a payment method and are issued in large quantities, they may be included in the virtual asset classification. In this case, the assets may be eligible for interest when deposited into exchanges. The notice highlighted that exchanges must separate user deposits and their own assets and entrust these to a bank. In addition, 80% of the coins must be kept in a cold wallet. Tether, the company behind the world's largest stablecoin, announced yesterday that it would be freezing its tokens in wallets belonging to sanctioned individuals on the United States Office of Foreign Asset Control's list of sanctioned individuals. In its announcement, Tether framed the move as a voluntary step to proactively prevent any potential misuse of Tether tokens and enhance security measures. Blockchain data access through Etherscan shows that Tether did indeed freeze 161 Ethereum wallets yesterday, though 150 of those wallets currently hold no USDT tokens. It's unclear if any of the wallets held USDT tokens at one point or how many. The remaining 11 wallets hold over 3.5 million USDT tokens, though nearly all of the tokens, 3.4 million, are held by just one address. Blockchain sloth ZachXBT has linked the address to the recent hack of betting platform Stake. The wallet in question was active shortly before the freeze was enacted, with hundreds of transactions in the past week. Pudgy Penguins, the Ethereum NFT profile picture collection first launched in July 2021, has unveiled a trailer at Art Basel in Miami for its 3D browser game experience dubbed Pudgy World, which is slated to launch in alpha sometime in 2024. After controversy surrounding its original owner led to a buyout and change in leadership last year, Pudgy Penguins appointed an executive advisory board, raised $9 million in funding, stocked plush penguin toys in over 2,000 US Walmart stores and Hot Topic locations, and has posted viral videos with millions of views across its social media channels. Now, Pudgy Penguin fans can take their first steps onto the ice in Pudgy World's lobby. When it fully releases, Pudgy Penguin NFT holders as well as plush toy owners will be able to adopt a virtual likeness of their collectibles as a 3D character in the world. Pudgy World will also be free to play, however, so gamers can hop into Pudgy World, choose whether to buy traits to customize their own characters, and embark on a story-driven journey, according to a statement. And now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on buzzing coins of the day.
First on the list, we have Avalanche. Ava Labs is set to retire the Avalanche Web3 wallet on January 23, marking a strategic move to enhance user experience and functionality. The new replacement, which is Core, is designed to align with advanced AVAX staking features, offering a more robust and feature-rich crypto experience. The decision to retire the web wallet is not a setback but a strategic move by Ava Labs towards ushering in a new era of heightened capabilities. Core offers functionalities like verification, delegation, and cross-chain transfers, aiming to elevate the overall user experience and provide a seamless and comprehensive crypto wallet solution that aligns with the evolving demands of the crypto community. Avalanche was trading at $35, up 13% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Cardano. Cardano has experienced a significant price surge, rising by 48% in the past week, reclaiming the $0.6 level of the first time in over a year. However, the price has been experiencing a correction since reaching the multi-month high, with the ADA token currently down by approximately 6.55% in the past 24 hours. On December 9th, Cardano reached its highest level since June 2022, reaching $0.63. A recent sentiment report identified that growing trading volume weighed sentiment and the social dominance as major drivers of the price surge. The blockchain analytics platform reported that Cardano's volume, sentiment, and discussion rate are at the highest levels of 2023, with 4% of all crypto discussions on Saturday related to the ADA token. The altcoin is making up for lost time with elevated FOMO levels. ADA was trading at $0.55, down near 3% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu has witnessed a massive transfer of approximately 4.2 trillion SHIB tokens worth close to $43 million. The transaction details reveal a pattern of high-volume transactions with the recipient's address involved in multiple receivables. The anonymity of the wallets involved fueled speculation and conspiracy theories. The asset has recently shown an uptick in its price trajectory, which could be attributed to the large transfer. In cryptocurrency markets, significant token movements can sometimes prelude market reactions either through supply and demand dynamics or market sentiment influence. Shiba Inu was trading at 2.27% down in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Blast. Blast, a controversial Ethereum-based Layer 2 farming project, is working with Paradigm to remove controversial narratives and improve its technical design. The protocol will migrate to a new time-locked upgrade system next week, which is open source and can be used by projects interested in emulating Blast. The upgrade is aimed at setting a better precedent. Blast was previously criticized for abusing the L2 narrative, its tokenomical design, which was criticized for certain rewards most liquidity providers are attracted by. However, Blast has reached new highs in terms of total value locked, with LPs injecting over $838 million in equivalent in USDC, DAI, and Ethereum. Crypto Investors 21 share listed Blast as the fastest growing network, stressing that it cannot be treated as a second layer scaling solution. Blast is listed as a yield farming app, not a separate L2 blockchain on Ethereum. Next on the list, we have Solana. Solana has surpassed Ethereum in sales volume, reaching nearly $16 million after a 2.78% increase. This comes despite a broader market downturn, with Ethereum experiencing a 22.7% drop in sales. Solana's NFT marketplace has seen a robust increase in activity, with Tensor emerging as the leading platform. Tensor has achieved a monthly trading volume of approximately $1 million, surpassing Magic Eden, and positions itself as the forefront with about 60% of Solana's total NFT market share. Despite having fewer unique wallet users compared to Magic Eden, traders are engaging with higher volumes on Tensor. Other blockchains like Polygon and Immutable X are also making their presence felt, albeit with lower sales volume. Solana was trading at $69, down 2.66% in the last 24 hours.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.